So I'm in my web browser. I'm making a GET request to movies. It's returning me an empty array because we don't have any movies. So how would I make a post request? So there is no way that I can make a post request using this web browser. So I need a Postman client, a RESTful client, so that I can make request. So if you haven't installed this Postman client, go to your web store and search for Postman. From there you can install the plugin. This should be Postman, so install it here. So if you want to go with Fiddler, that is okay too, so no issues. So I'm gonna make a post request. So this is my URL and this is post request. So I have a header added because I'm going to send the JSON data. So I said content type application slash JSON. So don't forget to add this header. Now I have some data pre-populated to save some of the time. I'm going to hit send and this should insert a record to MongoDB database. It does. So it is returning me response object. So we have sent title, rating is released and genre as part of our object, but it is returning me two extra columns. First is the underscore ID. This underscore ID is column is added to every document which we insert into MongoDB database to uniquely identify that document. So it is specific to MongoDB and this one too. So this underscore V is a version identifier. This is added by MongoDB database and we shouldn't be much caring about this, so you don't worry about that V, but this underscore ID is very important to uniquely identify this record. So let me bring up my command prompt and see whether it actually made it all the way to the database or not. So I'm in my command prompt. I'll say Mongo to enter into the shell where I can run my queries. So I'll say show DBs. If you see, the first one is movies DB. This movies DB is our database. So in my app.js file, I said create a database by the name moviesdb. So it has created, and now I can say use moviesdb to see what is inside it. I'll say show collections. It has movies collections where all of our movies database data would be saved. So now I can say db dot movies is the collection name. Say find, which will give me all the records which are inserted. See, if you see here, Shawshank Redemption is here. So our our post request has made it all the way to the database. So let's go ahead and see. Meanwhile, I'll add some of the records to the database, and in our next video, we'll see how to fetch a specific record using ID.